Samsung is once again making headlines in the smartphone world, and this time it's about something that people have been talking about for months. The company is preparing to launch its first ever tri-folding phone, which might be called the Galaxy Z TriFold. At first, many reports suggested that this futuristic phone would only be sold in South Korea and China. But now, a new update suggests that Samsung may also release it in the United States, which makes the story even more exciting. If Samsung does launch the Galaxy Z TriFold in the US, it will become the very first tri-folding phone available there. This is a big deal because the only other company working on this technology, Huawei, cannot sell its phones in the country due to restrictions. That means Samsung would have no competition in the US market, at least for now, giving it a clear advantage. With no rival products around, Samsung could attract a lot of attention and demand for this unique phone. So, what exactly is the Galaxy Z TriFold, and why is everyone talking about it? Last month, Samsung confirmed that it would release a phone with a display that folds twice before the end of this year. To put it simply, the phone will have one large screen that can fold into places. This makes it possible to carry a big device in your pocket while still being able to unfold it into something closer to a small tablet. The idea of a tri-folding phone has been discussed for years, but now it seems like Samsung is ready to actually bring it to market. Earlier reports said Samsung would produce the phone in very limited numbers. Because of this, the company originally planned to sell it only in China and South Korea. These markets are already familiar with foldable phones and have strong demand. But according to CNN Business, Samsung is now reconsidering and may include the US as one of the launch markets. If that happens, it could be a game changer for Samsung and for the entire smartphone industry. Leaked details about the phone suggest some very interesting features. When fully unfolded, the Galaxy Z TriFold could have a display that measures about 9.96 inches. That's almost the same size as a small tablet. On the outside, it might also have a 6.49-inch cover screen. So you won't need to unfold the device every time you just want to check messages or make a quick call. Rumors also suggest that the phone will support wireless charging, reverse wireless charging, and NFC payments. These are features Samsung users already enjoy in the company's high-end devices, but adding them to a tri-folding phone makes the device even more useful and practical. Another major point of interest is multitasking. With such a large screen, users will likely be able to run 3 or more apps side by side. This means you could browse the internet, watch a video, and reply to messages all at the same time. For people who want productivity on the go, this could be one of the biggest selling points. It might also attract gamers and content creators who want a device that does much more than a standard smartphone. Of course, there are still many questions that haven't been answered yet. We don't know what kind of processor the Galaxy Z TriFold will use, how powerful its cameras will be, or how big its battery will be. These details are very important, and as we get closer to the launch date, more leaks will probably reveal this information. Given Samsung's history, it's safe to assume the phone will include top-level hardware to match its futuristic design. Looking at the bigger picture, Samsung has always been a leader when it comes to foldable devices. The Galaxy Z Fold and Z Flip series already set the company apart in this category. Now, with a tri-folding phone, Samsung could once again raise the bar and create a brand new market segment. If it comes to the US, Samsung will not just be offering another smartphone. It will be offering something completely new, something no one else has yet. This kind of exclusivity could be a huge advantage. Tech fans and early adopters will likely rush to get their hands on it. Since no other tri-folding phones are expected to launch in the US soon, Samsung could dominate this niche market for quite some time. That said, the phone will likely come with challenges. Because of its advanced design and limited production, the Galaxy Z TriFold could be very expensive. Foldable phones already cost more than normal smartphones, and adding another layer of complexity will probably raise the price even higher. This might limit how many people can actually buy it, especially at launch. But there will always be a group of people who are willing to pay for cutting-edge technology, and Samsung knows this well. In the coming weeks, we'll likely hear more about the Galaxy Z TriFold, including its specs, performance, and official release plans. Whether it's launched only in Asia or also in the US, one thing is clear: this is one of the most exciting devices Samsung has ever worked on. Samsung is pushing the limits of what a smartphone can do, and the Galaxy Z TriFold could completely change the way we think about mobile devices.